a lush, dense jungle with tall trees and sunlight streaming through the thick canopy. In the foreground, a small, rustic village with simple huts surrounded by greenery. Birds and small animals roam the area, and the scene feels vibrant and alive. A young boy, Aarav, 10 to 12 years old, with medium-length dark hair and a friendly smile, sitting atop Poacher, a young, majestic elephant. Poacher has gleaming white tusks, large floppy ears, and a gentle, adventurous expression. They are walking through the jungle, with colorful flowers and vines around them. A massive, ancient banyan tree with thick roots and hanging vines. Aarav, standing next to Poacher, is reaching out to touch a glowing vine that emits a soft golden light. The surrounding area feels mysterious, with subtle magical energy in the air. Close-up of the glowing vine, with soft golden light swirling around Aarav and Poacher. Aarav looks surprised and curious, while Poacher tilts his head nervously. The jungle in the background appears calm but filled with an air of suspense. Aarav and Poacher traveling deeper into the jungle, guided by glowing fireflies. Monkeys are swinging on the trees, and a parrot is pointing in a direction with its beak. The path is overgrown with vines and bushes, creating an adventurous atmosphere. A misty, dark valley surrounded by dense trees. Aarav kneels to examine a glowing stone that pulses faintly with golden light. Poacher stands beside him, looking cautious. The scene feels magical yet slightly foreboding. A serene lake surrounded by dense jungle, reflecting the moonlight. In the center of the lake, a glowing lotus floats, radiating soft, magical light. Aarav and Poacher stand on the lake's edge, staring at the lotus in awe. A menacing poacher, Karl, with a rugged appearance, standing near the lake. He has lit fires around the area, and the jungle animals are trapped in crude cages. Karl looks determined and dangerous, holding tools and traps. Poacher, the elephant, charging at Karl with full force, his tusks glowing faintly. Monkeys are throwing items at Karl, and birds are swooping down to distract him. The fires start to die down as chaos ensues. Aarav stands in the middle of the lake, holding the glowing lotus in his hands. The lotus emits a blinding golden light that illuminates the entire area, pushing Karl into the shadows as he flees. Aarav, sitting atop Poacher, smiles as they walk back toward the village. The jungle path is bright and full of life, with animals and birds happily watching them. The scene is warm and victorious, with a sense of closure.